back to CEYOSON Educational Services, where we simplify important CBSE process for you. Today we will guide you through the essential steps of uploading students' photograph in the CBSE LOC portal. Uploading accurate and properly formatted photographs is crucial, as these images will be used in official documents like admit cards and certificates. By following the correct guidelines, you can ensure that the photo meets CBSE requirements and avoid any issues later in the process. Before you upload any photograph, it's important to follow CBSE guidelines to ensure the images meet the required standard. Let's go over these guidelines step by step. First, use a camera with good resolution to capture the student's photograph. The image should be clear, sharp, and free of visible pixels. Make sure the photograph has been taken with the last 6 months. This ensures that the image reflects the student's current appearance. Next, the student's head should take up about 80% of the image. The face must be directly facing the camera, with the head centered in the frame. Ensure the photo captures from the top of the head to mid-chest. A natural expression is required. A smile is allowed, but make sure it's look natural and relaxed. Ensure that the photograph is in perfect focus with no blur. The background should be plain, preferably a solid color with no patterns or distractions to keep the focus on the student. The student's eyes should be open, looking directly at the camera. If the student wears glasses, make sure they are not tinted unless medically necessary. The entire face must be clearly visible without any obstructions such as hair or shadows covering the face. Be sure to write the student's full name exactly as it appears in the CBSE LOC. Additionally, include the date the photo was taken below the image to verify that it's recent. Once all the guidelines are followed and the photograph is ready, proceed to upload the image in the CBSE LOC portal. Let's begin by accessing the CBSE School LOC portal. Once you are logged in, you will find the menu bar at the top of the page. In the menu bar, select LOC 10 or 12 and then choose the Upload or Update option. Next, choose the appropriate class, either 10th or 12th, and click on Get List. You will now see a list of students along with their current photos displayed on the screen. Ensure that all student photos are updated, as each candidate's photo must have been taken within the last 6 months. Now, to update a photo, click on Choose File and select the student's photo from the folder where you have saved them using the registration number as the file name. After selecting the correct image, click on Upload. Once uploaded, you will see the newly updated image appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Repeat this process for all students. Be sure to upload each student's photograph carefully. Before you exit, double-check the data to ensure all photos are uploaded correctly and that no mistakes were made. Once you are confident, you can safely exit the portal. And that's how you upload and update students' photograph in the CBSE LOC portal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks.